AI is making you lazy, or at least that's what I feel like. Let's find an explanation. To understand this, we gotta go back a few months. Being a new football fan, my excitement was through the roof. I was sharing match updates in my Instagram like I own the team or something. But what happened was, over time I started coming across posts that I really wanted to share, but they didn't really have the match score in it, and posts that had the match score but I really didn't want to share. If you understand the problem, great. If not, please don't try. Short story long, I was too lazy to open up editing app and actually do the work, and too cool to use the Instagram text feature, obviously. Basically, I wanted to turn a photo that looks like this into this. If this was 2019, I would have probably not noticed this as a problem and went on with my life. But no.
What's that?
It's 2024, even your grandma is using AI. I am a CS student, I'm going to figure this out. Then I ended up spending far too many hours, you guessed it, making a web app. Okay, let's have a look. This is an image of Rodri that I really want to share, but it doesn't have the match score in it. So now all I have to do is select the match, upload the image, and never mind, it worked better the last time. You get the point. Now with all this, I started wondering, is AI making you lazy, or is it making life easier, or is it creating problems where it didn't exist in the first place? Honestly, I don't know enough to arrive at an answer. Is it making you lazy by automating easy tasks? I would say yes. Imagine you run a weekly newsletter. You type everything out and use Grammarly or some AI to proofread it, add proper indentation, commas, and all the formatting work. Doing this weekly for a long period of time just makes you dependent on it for formatting. The next week when Grammarly server is down, are you going to sit through the whole process and do it manually? I wouldn't. I know what you're thinking, Anuranjan, this is a really stupid argument and I couldn't agree more. It's not like the software is going to disappear tomorrow and you have to go back to doing it manually. It's just that it creates a sense of dependency and removes the fun of doing the work by yourself. Don't get me wrong, I'm not against any of this. In fact, I prefer using such tools to save time and effort. It's just that in a predominantly procrastinative world where almost all of us are dependent on our phones, it's not really helping in that regard, is it? But if you think about it, humans tend to be lazy even before AI or computers. Like for example, how I set up this shot halfway through just so that I don't have to wear pants. Why is this in the script? But we don't neglect anything completely, do we? There's obviously going to be effort in the work that we do. It's just going to be in a different way. Like for example, when calculators came around, we didn't stop learning maths. We just learned how to apply it efficiently in a different way. So sit back, relax. AI is probably not going to make you a couch potato, but it certainly will help you share your maths scores.